What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to Race Day, where we've got Mario Kart cars coming at you, racing down our track. We're going to do 3 races, and we're going to find out who the fastest Mario Kart Hot Wheels car is. Yourself an official Peak Timer by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video. Let's get a look at who is racing first. First up, we have got the man himself, Super Mario, going down the track on lane number 1. Then in lane number 2, we have got Luigi, his brother. And next to Luigi is Peach. Peach with her cool looking pink car. And next to Peach, we've got Yoshi. Yoshi going at it, going fast down the track. And last but not least, we have got the big bruiser, Bowser. Bowser going down the track in that crazy looking classic kart. Let's see in race number 1 who is going to take it. But before we get started, smash that thumbs up if you guys love Mario Kart cars. All right, race number 1. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's Yoshi that takes the win in race number 1, but now it's time for race number 2. Who do you think is going to take race number 2? We switched up the lanes. Anyone can win. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! In race number 2, it is Yoshi again that takes the win. Yoshi is a quick one. We'll see if Yoshi can take the win in race number 3, starting from lane number 1. Let's see. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! In race number 3, it's Luigi that takes the win. Congratulations to Luigi, but now let's race them backwards. Let's find out who the fastest car is backwards. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And look at that, Luigi takes the win backwards on this race. Luigi has a win forward and backwards, and Yoshi's got 2 wins forward. We're gonna do one more backwards race. Let's see if we can get a different winner, or is it gonna be Luigi or Yoshi again? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And in that race, it's Yoshi that takes the win. I think it's time we settle this once and for all. Let's see, Luigi versus Yoshi. On your mark, get set, go! And there we have it, guys. We're officially crowning Yoshi our Mario Kart champion for today. Such cool looking Mario Kart cars. Let me know in the comments down below which one's your favorite, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.